Hey there, Data Nation. My name's Ryan, and today we're going to talk about some of the best free online courses that you can take to up your marketing game. I'm going to give you the highlights and my thoughts on each of them, but I'll include links in the description down below for easy access. First up is Google Analytics Academy. With GA Academy, there are a ton of different courses that you can choose from depending on your skill level and the different individual skills you're looking to develop. If you're not as familiar with Google Analytics or other marketing analytics tools like Adobe Analytics, I'd recommend starting with the beginner course. This will give you a baseline understanding of both the interface as well as some of the strategies and methodologies that go into marketing analytics. Once you feel confident in the interface and the basics of marketing analytics, I'd recommend moving on to more advanced courses. Those courses cover a lot more of the content that I review in the YouTube videos on this channel. The last Google Analytics Academy course I'd recommend is Google Data Studio. Data Studio integrates with a ton of different platforms, which will allow you to port in a lot of different data sources into one centralized dashboard. You can also import your own data or integrate, say, Google Sheets if you have CRM data that you want to export from your own customer management system. With the fundamentals of marketing analytics under your belt, I'd move on to more advanced digital marketing courses. These courses will help you with generating traffic to your website, which you can then use Google Analytics to interpret, test, measure, and optimize moving forward. For inbound advertising, Google Ads has a ton of great courses available on Skillshop. If you're unfamiliar with Google Ads, start with the fundamentals course. This will help you understand the purpose of paid search strategy, but doesn't do much in the way of understanding the Google Ads interface. From there, move on to the Creating Google Search Campaigns course. Collectively, these two courses will take you just a couple of hours to go through and provide enough training to get you started on your own Google Ads campaign. With a handle on the basics of both a paid search strategy as well as the platform itself, you can move on to the certification course. As a digital agency owner, I encounter very few people who are actually Google Ads certified, so having this in your bailiwick will help you go really far with other agencies. Next up is organic inbound search courses. More specifically, search engine optimization. HubSpot is one of the top inbound search marketing authorities, and they have several courses available for free. If you're looking to become a generalist in the marketing space, the SEO training course is a great place to start. Here you'll learn all about how to evaluate and improve your website's SEO, build backlinks to increase your website's visibility, and use tactics that HubSpot's own team uses to rank #1 in Google. If you want to become an SEO specialist, they have more advanced courses on content marketing and even an inbound certification course. On the social media side, there are a lot of great courses available, but not all of them are free. However, because a lot of these platforms have similar interfaces, if you learn one, you should be able to manage the others. Facebook's Blueprint certification course list has a ton of different courses available, including everything from the 100 level all the way up to super advanced for both advertisers and developers. Most digital marketing generalists will benefit from taking the first 5 courses, which cover everything from the basics through to advanced media buying. The remaining courses are mainly for developers or community managers who have a substantial amount of experience with the platform. As I mentioned earlier, once you've mastered one of the social media ad platforms, you'll be well equipped to use the others. Unfortunately, there aren't a lot of great free resources for learning LinkedIn, Twitter, and other ad platforms. But if you have a little extra cash laying around, LinkedIn Learning has a ton of great courses available. And you can sign up either using their subscription platform or paying on a per course basis. Okay folks, that's a wrap on today's download. There are literally thousands of free or inexpensive courses for both marketers and advertisers to improve their skills. What courses have you come across? Let me know in the comments down below. If you liked today's video and you'd like more content like this, hit that like button, and as always, subscribe to get datafied.